In the last video, where I introduced the new Scoob and I said about the spoiler and it's just disgusting. That's the view through my rear view mirror. I fixed that solution for now and got a high level big wing. It's not a genuine STI one. It is just a fiberglass molded copy, not from China, it's actually from Rochdale. It is made in the UK, therefore quality. I'm more interested in the engine on this thing, but I do want to get the styling and looks to more my personal taste. I actually got this a few weeks back. I'd gone to spray it and got my compressor out, but my wife has rabbits. And I went from big smiles, like that close to becoming Elmer Fudd. I was going to shoot these rabbits to death. There's one of them now.
I'm hunting rabbits.
There's still a lot of pinpricks, but they're more on the front, and I really am not that bothered about it being 100%. If you look at the car, it's covered in stone chips and stuff like that when you get up close. So to have a proper 100% mint spoiler, nah. I do have some jet black base coat here at the minute, which I will be spraying out of my gun. I do a lot of spraying for my RC stuff, but never anything this big really, and with as big of a spray gun. It's a perfect time to practice and do some big stuff, and then maybe in the summertime we can paint it pink. So if I don't like the black spoiler on it, maybe do some other bits black like the Scoob, break it up with some accents of black, and then if it don't look right, I can always spray it with the 01G silver and just have the whole thing colour coded. I'm just going to get this sprayed up for now, and then I can remove that off the car. I do have a fun plan for that spoiler, but I ain't telling you guys yet, so you'll all just have to stay tuned. I am actually in my backyard doing this. We'll call this the garage. Front street's garage, back street's garage, Tesco car park's a garage. Everywhere is a garage. We're not in the backyard, we're in the garage. The geezer in the shop recommended I get some health and safety equipments. I've been spraying for like 30 years, whether that be graffiti when I was a kid, to all my model making and everything, and I have never ever worn PPE, as he called it, something personal protective equipment or whatnot, health and safety gizmos. They recommended after all these years and now moving on to the harsher stuff that I get one. I'm all like Walter White, I'm gonna go cook some meth.
Come on!
Okay. Google, do we have rain?
No, Scott, not today.
So what the is that? This isn't a how-to, by the way. I just thought we could learn to paint together. I had this made and pre-thinned and everything else, so I don't need to add thinners and all that. But should I end up spraying it silver, that would probably be next year. So as the weather gets nicer, then I could put the time in and just prep it all properly. But at the minute, I just want rid of that spoiler. Woo! Thought the man like Crazy Eyeball Paul would have been here.
Later that day.
I don't think we ever touched on this in the videos, but this is Eyeball's crazy trolley.
This is what we call haulage machines.
Gonna put an engine on it, and some grills and a supercharger.
Get my mask on because I'm not doing.
Yeah, you wear your protection and get me round to hold it. I've got a board.
To be safe, I'm a professional at end of the day. I just need that in line there, and then running along that line. See that tram line there?
Yeah.
Just hold it as sturdy as we possibly can.
So is this like how to weld or how not to weld?
Well, it's like a bits and bats, isn't it?
As long as it gets job done.
Put my power on, won't it? Nervous now, just in case it trips it again. Hey, not tripped.
Crazy Eyeball's going to be doing all my welding work. He's the professional.
Only because I got a Mac.
So you need a reliable welder, 1-800 Eyeball.
Oh, 999.
Well, yeah, 999. What's your other one? 141999.
Yeah.
This lad definitely knows what he's doing. He's a professional. There it is. Now stuck in place.
Yeah, but the air fryer stopped.
So basically that'll go along here like so. Cut 6 bars out.
And then that opens. Look at that. Opening door. Little hinge system
And
there.
then all I've got to do is get some more of these hinges off another fire guard. Basically just put the roof onto here. So then it is effectively caged.
It'll keep you dry as well, won't it, having a roof?
Yeah.
The professional did set himself on fire.
YouTubes for 700 quid. Look at that. This is YouTubes for 700 quid. You want to buy it? Inbox me. Seriously, guys. I'm broke.
So it's just evening walk time now with the family and Eyeball. The spoiler's painted. Not going to bother with the clear coat just yet. Like I say, might not enjoy it. Just saves a lot of time and a lot more rubbing down and stuff. I'm going to flatten it down again tomorrow and just give it another coat. And then we'll get that fitted and see how that looks. Shit. 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 No shit. You got a good spot there. Shit. Shit.
There's too much shit in the world, Scott.
Too much shit in the world.
Say it as you say it, bud.
Say what you say.
This isn't catchphrase.
The next day.
It's gone. Success. Don't think I like the black.
I do.
It's better than that other thing, which is gone. I'm gonna take it back in, but I just had to see. Maybe remove the silver one, pop on the black one, might flow a bit more, especially with the Morettes. Back end of this car feels absolutely up in the air without all this weight of the spoiler on the back. Pizza! It'd be nice, that beefy Mexican. Honestly, I'll sacrifice my cheese to try that.
No problem.
This is the best pizza in the world. Where's the spicy ones?
Oh my god.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
Pizza!
Sacrifice my cheese for this.
What the?
Several days later.
Big reveal. Voila. We took care of the spoiler. I do have, there we go, the black one ready to go on. It's had like almost a week now since I painted it. The little spoiler's gone, so I'm just going to bolt it on temporarily. I've got some Bondo and stuff like that to bond it on there and seal it, but I'm going to be doing it silver again, so just to make life easier after winter time. Holes don't line up, do they? So they're like there, somewhere-ish. It's like up from an angle on it. Ninja DIY. I drilled the holes to the wrong side. For maximum horsepower and optimal performance, they really needed to be there. Somewhere there. I'm gonna guess here-ish. But everyone look at me proper strange, like we've never seen a Ninja Turtle before. I got it this time. And boot lids, they're only 10 for a penny, aren't they, from a breaker's yard, so there's no loss. All it is an extra couple of little holes in the fruit. You can't see it for now. So I'll get all them sealed up, especially the holes where I've had to re-drill. I'll get them sealed up for the winter. Because obviously damp and moist is going to run through them. But it's where I want it to be at the minute, and that is on the car.